Hi, I'm Jessica Reyes, and welcome to Toyota Talks with me. Okay, our first question, and Steve wants to know, which Toyota would you recommend for off-roading? Are you inviting me? Because I'm ready to go. I think if I had to choose any one or two, the Tacoma or the 4Runner, definitely. I mean, let's be honest, they're both extremely versatile and great for on and off the pavement. You've got features like 4-wheel drive, crawl control, multi-terrain select, and more. Plus, hold up, yes, there's more. Both of them come in special TRD off-road models designed for getting out of civilization. So if you are going anywhere, invite your girl Jessica and Mr. Toyota, okay? All right, number two, Nicole wants to know, what is Mr. Toyota's favorite food? You're not asking me? I know, he's the star here. Actually, Mr. Toyota loves carrots. Believe it or not, he eats super healthy. That's why he's got that bod. Okay, now Michael wants to know, when is the new Supra coming to dealerships? I know, I keep getting that question. The DMs, I get excited, I think it's for something else, and it's actually this question. Here's what we know so far. The Supra should be arriving this summer. So 2019, summer of 2019 is basically when we think we'll have it here. We don't have an exact date yet, but just follow us on social media the way you do already, because we'll definitely keep you posted. So go ahead and check out our blogs, because we have a full breakdown of everything it has to offer and when it arrives. Number 4, Judith wants to know, what is your favorite holiday? Actually, I follow a hashtag called Everyday is Halloween because I am obsessed with all things Halloween. I've mentioned this before, come July, August, I start planning my Halloween decorations, my Halloween costumes and everything that has to do with it. I even give away Halloween gifts for Christmas. Crazy, I know. Too late, they already hired me. All right, now number 5, Kirby wants to know, my wipers have been just smearing water around on my windshield. What's the deal? You need some new ones, but you probably knew that. It sounds like you need some new wipers, homegirl. So let me give you the rundown on what you need to do and why. When your wipers are just smearing water around, it means that the rubber part of the blades is basically worn down and it can't do its job. Other signs you need new wipers, you know the squealing noises, they're embarrassing, you've heard them before, I know. Also, the blade missing parts of the windshield or visible damage to the rubber blades. I mean, if you look closely, you can see it. So what you can do is call our service center today and book an appointment. And that concludes February's Toyota Talks. Till next time.